Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you our Uline YouTube online classes. And you also know Science 6 class going on. And today we have discussed about our topic testing for nutrients. And that's the chapter 2nd, components of food. And today we have discussed about our testing for nutrients. And my dear students, you see on the board just like testing for nutrients. Okay, it is very important to which nutrients. It is very important to know which nutrients are present in particular food items. You also know any types of food some nutrients are available. Okay, so that's a very important to how to taste the nutrients in food. Okay, some of the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins and fats can be easily tested. That's a very easily tested. We also tested, but how to test I also say today. Easily tested in our homes and or at school. That's just like a practical lab. How to test it. And my dear student, with the support of that video, you also test at home how to taste the nutrients in food. Okay, and in that period we have discussed about 4 topics. Taste for starch, it means carbohydrates. Taste for sugar, it is carbohydrates. Next, taste for fats, and next, taste for proteins. There are 4 types. We are going to test in that classes. Okay, so my dear student, firstly write down the topic. Then we have a start. Our first topic, test for a starch. It means carbohydrate. How to test it? Okay, so firstly you write down in your copy. Then we have start our first topic. So okay, my dear students, we have a start. That's the first topic is test for a start. A starch is with carbohydrate. How to taste it? Okay, so you see the figure of test for a starch. That says firstly, my dear student, you take 3 test tube. In test tube, first you take first test tube, put slice of potato. In second test tube you put slice of apple, and in third test tube you put some grains of corn. Add 4 and 5 drops of iodine solution, and you also add 4 and 5 drop of iodine solution, which is red color. My dear students, after some time you see that's the taste for a start. It means first taste of going on. My dear student, you also use that technique at home, and you also see what is different. Okay, so our next topic is taste for sugar. It means carbohydrate also. Okay, so you see the that's points and you write in your copy. Okay, our second test for sugar, it means carbohydrate. You take also 3 tubes. In first tube put some drops of juice for fresh grapes. In second tube you put some drops of milk, and last third tube use some powdered cauliflower. It means powdered cauliflower, and add the 4 and 5 drops of Bendix solution, which is blue in color, and set the rest tubes well. Okay, and dip each test tube in hot water to heat the solution, and the solution of food item containing sugar will turn brick in red color. And my dear students, you also record the points in column what is different and what you get with the taste for sugar. It means carbohydrates. Okay, so that's the second test. And the third test says how to taste the taste for fat. Okay, my dear students, so firstly you see that content, and I also say about that. Okay, taste for fats means take a small quantities of samosa, onion and cheese. Okay, and war them in separate pieces of paper and beat each items carefully so it the crust but the paper is not turned. You not turn the paper. Okay, and next open each piece of the paper carefully. Each piece of the paper carefully. Okay, and the paper covering food items containing fat will show only passes on it. If we hold these papers in front of the light, if we hold the paper in front of the light, it will appear translucent. It means that is partial light can pass through them. Okay, and so after that you understand about taste for fat. You understand about taste for fat. Okay, and next last topic is taste for protein. How to understand taste for protein. You also see the content of taste for protein. After that we revision one time also. Okay, so that's the taste for proteins. Okay, it means you also take the three test tube. Okay, and first test tube put a small quantities of your egg yolk. Okay, and second test tube you put some drop of milk, and last third test tube you put crushed pineapple. First test tube you put egg yolk, second test tube and put some drops of milk, and last test tube you put some crushed pineapple, and next add the equal quantity of water to each test tube and set will the keep for 5 minutes. You keep 5 minutes. Okay, and take a small quantities of liquid from each test tube separately and add the 4 and 5 drop of copper sulfate, which is the tubing, which is the blue in color. Okay, the solution of food items containing proteins will turn pineapple a purple color. Okay, and you also record that all things in your copy what you get it taste for properties. My dear students, I also present one just like one figure of that's you contain, and you also check it at your home. So you see that's figure. Okay, so that's the four test of testing for nutrients. My dear students, you also just like so at home practical ways in your school and your home app also. Okay, that's a test for starch carbohydrate, and next test for sugar carbohydrates, test for fats, and test for proteins. So today's our topic is finished, and next day we have discussed about our next topic. So my dear student, firstly you write down all topics and which content we have so on the so by the figure and my voice you also write down in your copy. Okay, and you also use test at home. So you stay home, save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.